Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best hearing aids available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Britzgo hearing aid. The 220 is a maximum output design made to boost voices and conversations in any setting. You'll catch every word. It comes with oversized buttons that are effortless to control. Plus the larger battery and cartridge make replacing your battery a breeze. With the 220 at your side you'll be back doing all the things you love safely and effectively in no time. The 220's advanced digital circuitry make it incredibly reliable, and with an extra long battery life of over 500 hours the 220 has you covered when it counts. The 220 comes with an adjustable ambidextrous hearing tube that can swivel left and right. The choice is yours to use the 220 in either ear. This personal sound amplifier is built with a digital chip and frequency control to adapt easily to different sound environments. At number 5 we have MEDca hearing aid. The digital hearing amplifier contains a rechargeable, which means that you will not have to constantly change batteries right in the middle of a conversation or suffer from running out of batteries again. The problem with other BTE hearing amplifiers is they need complicated programming. The MEDca digital hearing amplifier solves that problem. That's because the hearing sound amplifiers has a digital smart chip, which means that no programming is needed and ready to use right out of the box. You can change the volume with ease in just one touch. Also set the volume, and the amplifier digitally adjusts automatically and according to the environment you are in for best results and maximum clarity. At number 4 we have blomed hearing aid. With the 4th generation digital chips, the 50% more noise reduction than the 3rd generation. At the same time it has 2 different frequency modes and 4 channel choices. You can adjust your settings according to different environments to hear a clear voice in most environment. Blomed hearing amplifier uses the latest materials, no radiation to the human body. And the 4th generation noise reduction technology ensures that the blomed hearing amplifier is not harmful to the ear. The fast charging about 8 hours can be full of electricity and can be used for about 40 hours. No need to worry about no electricity. At the same time it has the function of instantaneous strong sound intelligent ear protection. At number 3 we have Chasana hearing aid. The ergonomically streamlined earbuds design combined with 6 adjustable amplification modes bring a surprise hearing experience for hearing loss people. It is also equipped with the advanced active noise reduction function to deliver a lossless transmission between the natural sound and hearing aids. With a single 2 hours charging for the hearing device, you can use it for up to 12 hours. The pocket-friendly charging case offers 4 to 5 times charge. You never need to replace batteries repeatedly, just charge whenever you want. Only one button to adjust volume and turn on/off. Also, short press for volume adjusts and a long press for turn on/off. No need to take it off. At number 2 we have artme hearing aid. The upgrade hearing aid's RIC design greatly reduces the chances of feedback and makes the sound more natural and realistic, durable, comfortable and not easy to drop. The personal sound amplifier devices have simultaneous optimization of voice noise detection segmented. The noise reduction is to reduce background noise, acoustic feedback cancellation and dynamic compression. It is a USB rechargeable hearing assist without you trouble buying button batteries, frequently charging 2 to 4 hours for working 40 hours. Long-term charging reduces battery life. Besides, it is environmental friendly. At number 1 we have irgo hearing aid. Irgos are incredibly small, virtually invisible and practically disappear inside your ear. Irgo Neo Hi-Fi works with the Irgo Neo Hi-Fi mobile app, which gives the user easy adjustment capabilities and access to environmental profiles. Every system comes with 2 hearing aids, a charger, a 1-year warranty and a whole load of high-quality sound. On-the-go control. Irgo Neo Hi-Fi allows you to conveniently switch between profiles with a tap on your ear. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below if this video helps you to find the best hearing aids for your need.